Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Science for You. Today we are going to learn one of the most essential, important and very interesting topic. Actually, my brother works in that organization, so he helped me to do this video. So I thank him for that. So without getting late, let's get into the video.
Today we are discussing an interesting topic, and this topic is the future. We will commonly hear about genetic disorders which will transfer to their further generations. Cancer is one of the most dangerous diseases which has very rare treatment. Alzheimer's disease is one of the most horrible disease. In the past, there is no cure for all of this, but there is an organization which is saying that yes, we have a treatment from nature. Nature is not plants or trees, but from mother's womb. That organization is LifeCell. It is India's first and world's third stem cell bank which collects stem cells. Wait, are you having a doubt about stem cell? Stem cells are basic building blocks of born baby or our body. These stem cells have only one cell and it is developed into organs like brain, heart and other organs. Just like the seed of a plant gives rise to roots, flowers, leaves, etc. These stem cells have power to develop blood cells and muscle cells, etc. Do you have any doubt about how this works? These stem cells will be collected and stored after some period. That particular person is suffering with a disease, then they will send these cells to that affected area and it replaces those affected cells and replace new and healthy cells. These stem cells can treat about 80 plus diseases such as blood disorders, blood cancers, immune disorders, metabolic disorders. Stem cells are found in bone marrow and umbilical cord and peripheral blood. Let's see how this process happens. If the pregnant lady wants to collect their child's stem cells, they have to enroll before few weeks of delivery date. After enrollment, you will be having a kit given by organization. They should inform the doctor about this and they should take this kit to hospital by delivery. After delivery, doctor will collect stem cells from umbilical cord and put this in the test tube of that particular kit. There is no harm to baby and mother while doing this process. After collecting blood from cord, the cord will also be separated and placed in the kit. They will also be collecting mother's blood to check diseases. After that, it is transported by some approved members with special precautions such as the box should not be under X-ray. This collection will be stored in some authorized places. After that, it will be going to the laboratory. When lab receives the samples, they will process it separately. The stem cells in the blood will be extracted by a chemical and they will spin it in a high speed to separate the components of blood. The middle layer contains stem cells and these cells will be transferred to separate bags. The stem cells from tissues are extracted by cutting tissue into pieces and adding a chemical or an enzyme to liquefy it, and it will be transferred to special cryovials. In case of long-term preservation, stem cells will mix with cryopreservatives and will be frozen or preserved in special freezers and cool it in a temperature of -196 degrees centigrade. Cryopreservation is the process of cooling and storing cells, tissues, organs at very low temperature to maintain their survivability. The liquid nitrogen ensure very powerful or efficient cryopreservation for decades. They will give a preservative certificate to you. When a patient needs stem cells, immediately donors will provide them stem cells. The doctors will match the blood of patient and donors by HLA markers in each cell. These markers help the immune system identify which cell belongs to you. Successful transplantation happens when HLA is closely matched. HLA, the full form of HLA is human leukocyte antigen. While coming to the LifeCell organization, LifeCell organization is a stem cell organization which collects samples and stores it in a preservative banks. It is formed in 2004 in India. Over 21 states have these facilities. There are many storage banks of LifeCell such as Chennai, Gurgaon, etc. As today our world is suffering with COVID-19 pandemic disease, scientists of Israel conducted some of the tests by inserting stem cells from the cord to 7 patients who are suffering with COVID-19. They observed that these stem cells produced 2 proteins which provided strength to the immune system and cured from virus. Leukemia is a blood cancer caused by a rise in the number of white blood cells in your body. The extra white blood cells do not work right, so stem cell transplantation has a treatment for this. Alzheimer's is one of the deadliest or very dangerous disease which causes brain to sink. Stem cells can treat this. Cancer is also one of the dangerous diseases because nearly 9.6 million deaths occurred worldwide in 2018. Stem cell transplants help restore blood forming stem cells in people who have had theirs destroyed by certain cancer treatments. They help you recover your ability to produce stem cells after treatment. There are two storage banks, private and community storage banks. It's better to use community bank because we can treat 3 generations with only one person's stem cell. While coming to private bank, there will be only protection only for baby and can treat 8 medical conditions. What is the importance of stem cells? We should bother about stem cells because every 3 minutes one person in the USA is diagnosed with blood cancer. In India, about 3 children per thousand are diagnosed with cerebral palsy. And moreover, the clinical trials are going on. As you know, science will be developing day by day. So hope for a better future. And to do plastic surgery also, we need stem cells. Welcome to the future of medicine. And the life cell is the future. Thank you.